Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at Solana, and thankfully Solana has recovered a little bit. By the way, Happy New Year's to everyone supporting the channel in 2021, 2022. Seriously, thank you all. Happy New Year. And let's start the year good by talking about one of our favorite cryptocurrency, Solana. Solana actually fell to around $8.18 on the 29th last month. I can't believe December was last month. Wow, it's crazy. But after that fall in price, what did I tell you? It would be too cheap. Immediately people started buying again and it just recovered straight away. Now, don't get me wrong. This does not mean that Solana isn't undervalued anymore. It is still undervalued, sitting at $10 exactly. And it's currently ranked 17th in the world. So we've made videos on Solana and we've spoken about what they plan to do this year. They plan to improve the reliability of their network. They're also planning to focus more on the Solana phone that should be coming out this year. So there are some big things on the horizon for Solana and Solana supporters as well. But in the latest news, Solana slides accelerates. 50 billion in value wiped out from 2022 cryptocurrency. So it says here that Solana has lost over 50 billion in value since the beginning of last year, 2022. A market marked by outrage, overload, and significant exposure to Sam Bankman-Fried, FXT, exchange. And that was big. That was seriously big. The FSD situation, the scandal, it is bigger than you could ever imagine. And truthfully, I was ignoring it, mostly because I wasn't too surprised that it was a complete scam. And I was surprised that other people were surprised. Honestly, I was not surprised. I think that people who lost money in that didn't do enough research. And if you have money to lose, guess what? I don't even feel sorry for you. Because we've all lost money in crypto. But I've learned from my mistakes. We all need to learn from our mistakes. Stop investing in the hype. FST was just huge amount of hype. And people invested blindly without doing correct research. And something that I always teach on this channel, do your own research. That's what I always say. These videos are not financial advice. You have to do your own research. With a little bit more research from a lot of companies, a lot of individuals, this could have easily been avoided. But I can honestly see why it wasn't. And now a lot of scammers out there will be using this as an opportunity to scam people. Because if this idiot, Sam Bankman-Fried, can obviously fool so much people into believing this BS of a company, it's like people didn't even look at the financial records. Did you even ask for their financial records? Did you ask for their statements? Did you ask for any confirmation that they're a legitimate company, that they actually know how to handle money, that they actually have good management in place? I feel like these people just threw their money into hype. And that's exactly what happened. So Solana was touted as the cryptocurrency that would challenge Ether with an eco-friendlier approach, faster transaction speeds, and more consistent costs. Investors who made that bet had a miserable year for Solana, to say the least. But in my opinion, you should never invest in anything unless you're okay with it going to absolute zero. That's when you can invest in crypto. When you're okay with the price going to zero. I'm okay with Bitcoin going to zero because I would just buy more. That's the difference. People need to start asking themselves these questions before I invest. Am I okay with it if this goes to absolute zero? It doesn't matter what it is. If it's a restaurant, if it's a car company, if it's a cryptocurrency, if it's a stocks and shares, whatever it is, are you okay with it going to a zero? And if you're not, maybe you should consider what you do before you make that decision. Now, me personally, I am really happy that Solana price has absolutely fallen through the earth. Because now that it's cheap, for the first time in my life, I've bought Solana. And I'm never selling. For the first time in my life, I could actually afford to buy Solana. Because when Solana was $150, $250, I was always conservative. I was always like, well, the market is obviously gonna crash. There's always gonna be a new crash in the market. Don't be surprised. You're stupid to think that there won't be crash. So I'm thinking I could just wait this out. Wait until Solana is $50, $30, $40. Little did I know that I'm so lucky Solana would one day be $10 worth per coin, which is where it is right now. $9.99. Thank the Solana gods for this blessing in 2023. This is a great year to start. This is a great way to start the year by buying cheap cryptos. of a cryptocurrency blockchain that is extremely undervalued and it has so much value. Seriously, the small things Solana is working on fixing, once they fix those things, once crypto starts booming again, trust me, you're going to see Solana hitting $300, $400, $500, $600 with ease. But there will always be another crash, seriously. So don't panic, just use it as an opportunity. It's an opportunity. I'm happy the market is crashing, seriously. And from CoinDesk, Solana price rebounds as Ethereum, Buterin tweets support. But the SAM coin is still down nearly 95% this year. Why do they call it SAM coin? Is that a hint to the idiot? And I quote, "Some smart people tell me there is an earnest smart development community in Solana, and now that the awful opportunity money people have been washed out, the chain has a bright future," Buterin tweeted. This is awesome. I agree completely with what he's saying. He's right. He's absolutely right. A lot of the dumb, stupid people who just wanted to make money out of Solana, they've all given up. They've all sold out. That's why the price is so cheap. Well, maybe not all of them, but a lot of them definitely sold. A lot of the people who are remaining in Solana are people who still believe in the blockchain. And that's a good way to make the blockchain thrive. So that's what Vitalik Buterin had to say. He also said, "Hard for me to tell from the outside, but I hope the community gets its fair chance to thrive." And obviously this guy is known for being the Elon Musk of the blockchain space, to be honest, because he basically built Ethereum. Ethereum runs on its own programming language, Solidity. It's on another planet. But he isn't wrong. He definitely isn't wrong. Solana has a bright future, regardless of the short-term volatility. Now, with the latest Solana news, like I said, they want to work more on securing the blockchain, improving the blockchain reliability, of course. And of course, bringing the Solana phone to the real world. And this will change. I don't think there's been a major crypto provider or crypto blockchain that has ever built a phone. This will be a smartphone, run on Android, with a lot of blockchain technology. Naturally, I am super excited for this, to see what this will bring us. It's quite exciting, to say the least. I love Solana new website design as well. It's a fresh look. Nice way to start the year. Listen, do not underestimate Solana. They have a lot of backers, a lot of supportive. There's still a strong community, and at $10 per coin, I just can't believe my luck. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. I still think Solana is undervalued. Like I said, this coin is going to explode, especially when they fix those halts on the network. Can you imagine just how beneficial it will be towards the network to be more reliable? Yeah, we've got a bright future, and I hope Solana has learned from their mistakes of working with certain companies, certain blockchains that you're not supposed to be working with because they're not trustworthy. Not to mention, I also made videos that Solana is losing NFT providers such as DeGods and Utes, and this is a big loss. They're losing them to Polygon and Ethereum, their direct competitor. So Solana has a lot of things to work on, but I still believe in the blockchain, and I still think it's seriously undervalued. Thank you for watching today. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, I will see you in our next video.